Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how to put a white background on your Instagram story. So for that, open your Instagram and after that you tap this plus icon and then go to your stories. As you can see here, you can change your background. Right now it's opening my camera. As you can see, this is my camera. So I want a white background. So for that you need to tap this option called create. As you can see, we have got a background. Now my camera is disabled, so we need a white background. So for that we need to tap this option. So we need to tap multiple times until the white background occurs. So as you can see, this is a white background. Now you can type anything and adjust it according to your needs, and then next. And now you can share this to your story. So yeah, that's how you put a white